here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
And voila, there you go. We got our nice ribs. They done. The kids said they didn't want barbecue sauce, so I'm not going to barbecue them at all. I'm just going to chop them up, and I'm going to finish my own with some barbecue sauce. So there go them ribs. We're going to chow down. We got some mac and cheese on the side over there, as y'all can see. And that's just about it. Oh, the temperatures on this was 350 for the first 45 minutes. Then I turned them on to broil for the next 35. I kept checking them every so often. I flipped them, make sure the other side get color, rotate them, things like that. They're done now. We're going to chop them down. We're going to eat them straight dry like this. I'm going to have a little bit of barbecue sauce and probably 1 or 2, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.